Today we are going to discuss the stock which was found in 1946 and the company is based on Delhi. Some kind of bearish signals found on the technical charts. So if you want to know the answer which company is this, make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel and I am a full-time trader and trainer. We are going to discuss about the company which is mainly related to the realty sector. It constructs offices, malls, apartments, race courses and etc. The company name is DLF. Yes, we have found some good signals for the bearish short selling opportunity in this stock for the short to medium term horizon in coming days. So before that, I'm going to discuss about the last stock which was GNFC, stopwatch episode number 17. And despite of the ups and downs move into the market, GNFC has given amazing returns in last week. If you haven't watched that video, I request you to watch that video. I'm giving the link into I button. You can watch that video and see how detailed analysis we have observed and make on the chart of GNFC. Same kind of analysis we are going to do in the chart of DLF and we'll find the signals and the bearish signals which stock chart has given to us. So let's jump to the charts. So welcome to my screen and you can able to see the chart of DLF, and this is a daily chart and a spot price chart, and we are going to analyze what's the signal which this stock has been giving us so we can trade accordingly. So in the last trading session on 12th of June, there is a bullish candle happened, formed, and we know market was gap down and bearish in the morning, but at the end of the trading session, it has recovered very smartly. So hence the value of the stocks has been recovered really well. So we are focusing on the stock that it has been, there is a very good nice bearish candle formed the day before yesterday, and we can see a very good tail here. So it's a mark of resistance testing, the price rejection. We can call it a price rejection at this level of resistance zone. So it's a very good sign. After that, there is a gap down opening. This is a close and this is the opening of the next day. So here it has formed a gap here. So very nice setup for the bearish mode. And now we will see weekly time frame as a higher time frame. What's the chart indicating us? And the signal has been, we see there is a bearish candle but a long tail below this candle, which shows the power of the strength inside this stock at these lower levels, and which is around 143 140 level. The stock has taken a nice support and price has been rejected going further downside. So that's how we analyzing the price on a weekly time frame. Momentum oscillator RSI is indicating sideways movement between 40 and 60 on a medium time frame horizon. That's converted to daily, and daily the RSI is also rejecting at a 60 level, which is not a good sign for this stock. And after that, we have seen a gap down, and again RSI is near us 58-59 mark, which is exactly near to 60 zone resistance. So that has been also one signal RSI is giving us by it may be a bearish stock for coming days and coming week. And now we will move forward to a smaller time frame of 30 minutes. So here a very good signals you can see here. Very importantly, first of all, we are going to analyze the trend, and there is a very nice two tops has been formed here. Double top formation has been seen. After that, the next consecutive top has been formed here, which is a lower side top formation compared to this one. So lower tops has been just started formed, and importantly, this support has been also broken down here at this level, and the moving average slope has been flat. So sideways momentum has been seen, but slightly from this area, around from 11th of June, the moving average slope has been started going down, which is again a very important signal, because stock has been just fallen down, and this is a nice retracement happen. And exactly at the level of moving average, stock has formed on a 30-minute time frame a very nice candle of doji. You can see here, this is a doji candle, and one more reversal candle formed at shooting star. So this shows the price exhaustion at a upper level. After going down, price has just exhausted in the this retracement trend, which is this one, from lower to higher. So the price has been rejected at this level of moving average, which shows and giving attention to sellers that it has been one opportunity to get into this stock as a short selling. So this is one nice setup has been formed here. RSI is also near around 55, 56 zone, which is extremely good, because if it's once crossed 60, the stock has been bullish on this time frame. But if it resists at 60 level, again suggesting some more bearish momentum might be possible in coming days and week. So keep this stock in this your radar list. And one more thing you can observe, I was just removing the arrows, and there has been a very nice trend line breakout happen from this point to this point. And if we touch these two lines exactly at the level of the trend line, price is showing its resistance again. So one more confirmation after a lower top lower bottom formation trend. One more is candles, bearish candle, reversal candles has been formed, moving average resistance, and the fourth one is trend line resistance, also near this zone, and RSI is also near a 60 zone, which is a very nice signal for the bearish momentum and for the short sellers. So now let's to move to a smaller time frame of 15-minute time frame. So all the signals have been same. We just need to analyze the swing retracement, where it actually shows the resistance. And if we took the retracement from high to low, exactly at the level of 155, stock showing 61% golden ratio retracement resistance at 155. The candles have been formed, reversal candles, moving average, lower top, lower bottom formation. So many signals are giving this stock has been just exhausted at the resistance zone. So keep this stock in your radar list for to get a bearish momentum in this stock. Okay, so this has been a very nice signals on weekly, daily, and the 30-minute time frame, and on 15-minute time frame we have seen all the signals, which gives us a nice signal for a bearish momentum might possible in this stock in coming days or coming weeks. So now we will be talking about the levels. So just I'm converting this to a 30-minute time frame. So let's move, check the levels. So if you are going short, or if you have already short in this counter, then your upper side level for the stop loss has been comes around this level of 159, slightly above this height. I'm not considering this shadow, but I'm considering these two tops, and above this high is 159. Keep this as your stop loss. 159 is spot level, and the recent lows which created around 145, which also will act as a nice support for this stock. And if further this stock has been broken down this 144, 145 range, then what should be the next target area? So let's confirm it by retracement again using Fibonacci levels. And the 161% comes near around 138. Okay, so I will mark this level 138 as an important support and a target area for this bearish momentum if happen. 138, 145 is the first level, and 138 is the second level you need to be watch out. Okay, so now let's to convert this chart to the daily time frame. And if we see, there is a nice downslope here of this moving average, which has been just flat around this consolidation zone. So moving average support zone is also comes near around 139, which was a 30-minute time frame, 161% golden ratio retracement level, extension level. So that combines both the moving average as well as Fibonacci retracement level, which comes near around 138, 139, which will act as a very nice support for this stock. So stock current market price closed at 154.05. So keep this stock in your radar list and watch out these levels for the next week coming time. And as a standard disclaimer, this is not a buy and sell recommendation. This is just for educational purpose. And if you like our analysis and like this video, hit the like button and keep share this video to others and do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.